Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Voidling Bound game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Voidling Bound game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off or start a new game. In order to optimize your graphics, click on Options, and now from the Options page, click on Video. Within the Display tab, you may choose your resolution and also the frame rate limit. Choose the appropriate frame rate limit or refresh rate of your display device, or you can set this to unlimited as well. Make sure to only turn on VSync if you notice screen tears within your game. Now underneath you have the graphics quality. There is the preset option which ranges from low, medium, high and epic. You may try using the high or epic preset at first and then apply your changes to see how they perform within your game. If you are satisfied with your performance, then you can continue to use these settings. Otherwise, you may go down to medium as well. Now, you may also define the various different parameters by yourself. If you notice some issues within your game, you may first try reducing the shadow quality, the view distance, as well as reflection and post-processing. Make sure to use 100% 3D resolution at the beginning, and you may turn this down if you wish in order to squeeze out more performance. This will render your resources at a lower resolution and then upscale to provide you a good experience. After applying your settings, click on the Keep option to save your changes. And now you can start your game with your optimized graphics right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize your graphic settings on the Voidling Bound game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.